Gonna do some fishing out here, try to catch some bait fish. But take a look at how beautiful it is out here. Look at all those swallows. They're all fired up because I'm here on the bridge. And they're all nervous now. Here's the other side of the bridge. Had some good rain, so there's some water in here. So far so good. Gonna try to do some more, catch some more bait fish. And we'll stay tuned, see what we can get. Hey everybody, waiting to catch a fish here. I'm using my ultralight ugly stick, my Cast King Sharky 1500 with 4-pound line, a little bobber, and some night crawlers. Hoping to catch some bait fish out of here. Chubs and black suckers and shiners are really good for live bait for Northern Pike. And those are just a blast to catch. And this is one of the best spots here you can fish for them. Just throw on a worm and boom. Easy fishing. So hopefully we'll catch some. Let's get one more chub and then we can go, or do you want to stay on? Let me take a look at that chub, show it to the camera. Oh yeah, pretty cool, good job. Fishing out here with my dad so we can catch some bait fish. Pretty good stuff. We're going to keep on fishing. Alright, looks like I got a bite. Let's see what it is. Oh, nice. Ooh, check it out. It's a shiner. It's a golden shiner. Cool. That is pretty cool. You don't see those too often. Awesome. Well, let me take care of him and get back to fishing. Got something nibbling. Alright, let's see what it is. Nope, nothing was there. I don't know if you can hear that, but the pheasant, the rooster's calling down the road there. He's got a kind of a unique call. These swallows are making so much racket you can't hear them down there, but it's pretty cool. See, he's somewhere in the brush along the road there, and he's doing his little mating call. Maybe he'll come out on the road and we'll see him. Alright, got one. Nope. He's just playing with it. There we go. Got one, got one, got one. Let's see what it is. Looks like a chub. Maybe it's a shiner. Beautiful deer crossing the creek. That was remarkable and beautiful. I'm still sitting here fishing, and she crossed right in front of me. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a little bitty bullhead. No wonder what was taking my bait and I could never catch it. Little fellow. Let me take care of this and let him go, and we'll keep on fishing. What? Another one? Another little bullhead? Crazy. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, that's a bigger bullhead. It's like all the bullheads are biting tonight. Alright everybody, that pretty much wraps it up. Fishing here at the bridge. It's another view of how beautiful it is. The pheasant crossed the road, but I couldn't get the camera on him down there. He was giving his call out, and then I looked over and I saw him just quickly come across the road strutting. There goes a couple of geese flying. That's the cool thing about fishing out here is, you know, you don't know what you're going to see. I've seen deer come out of there, the pheasant, a couple of groundhogs, and even rabbits come out and play around there. Anyway, have a great evening, and we'll come out again and do some fishing. Until then, make sure you take care of the environment. Clean up all your line and your trash and all the stuff you left behind at your fishing site, so we take care of the environment.